Good morning guys, welcome to Hyderabad, India. Today I'm going to give you a luxury house tour of our place here in Banjara Hills. This is a pretty exclusive area, so I'm really excited to show you around. Let's go through the gate. So you first come into here and there's a really cool area. Like I love how there's so many like lush green plants and different things over here. Check out that, man, there's like a palm tree. And then as we move along here, there's a little seating area. So if you want to get a bit of sun, you can just chill out here. So then as we continue on, there's a coconut chopping area. You see a bunch of coconuts down there. And then as I go down a bit further, there's another place to sit. Like it's just, there's a lot of open space here before we even get inside of the house. Now let's go do that. Now the reason that this place, I didn't tell you guys, but this place is called the Purple Door. And you'll see exactly why as we turn around the corner. Check this out. Purple door. And that is the theme of the entire house. There's a lot of purple inside. So as we go in, the first thing you'll notice is that they have flip-flops for you to put on, which is cool because it keeps your feet nice and clean. And then turning over here, this is actually one of my favorite parts of the whole house. Like the staircase is really cool. It's like has this spirals all the way up to the second level. This first level is small. All we have, 2 basic chairs where you can hang out. There's a couple magazines. Check out this. These people are obviously travelers. So there's like maps of Nepal and Bhutan all over the place. You'll notice that over here. And then you have a little table where people can hang out, have a meeting. You've got a fan. And now let's go up to the second level where all the action is. So I love this staircase. This is my favorite part of the entire house, the apartment. So we'll go up here. And the first place we'll check out is the living room. Now, if you remember, this is called the Purple Door. And check out the couches. Both of them are purple. They're really comfortable. Like, oh man, I could just chill out on here. And then up top, you've got a picture of the Himalayan mountain range, which is absolutely stunning. Ice-capped mountains, that's pretty incredible. Tiny little TV coming through here. Oh man, look, check out this. Just totally chill here. You've got a collection of books. Book, sit down and read. Maybe even fall asleep. And then over here, you've got like a couple, I don't know, would you call these bar stools?
Yeah.
Yeah, a couple bar stools, some more artwork. Now this is something that's really cool. I think like this chunk of rock has been integrated into the structure of the house, and you can see how it's like it just naturally flows into the brick area. And then over here, nice dining table. And then turning around here, fully equipped kitchen, teapots, you've got cups, plates, everything you need to have a meal. Coming into the kitchen, we have a fridge, which the only thing we literally have in here are 2 water bottles to keep ourselves cool. Now my favorite part about this kitchen is that we have a water cooler. And like it is filled almost to the top, because one issue we have sometimes in India is like we're constantly buying water bottles to stay hydrated. This place is gonna allow us just to refill what we have. The rest of the kitchen just got a little stovetop area. Now there's tons of storage space up there. I haven't actually even looked, but it's locked anyways. Okay, so let's move on to the bedrooms. So there's 2 bedrooms. They're both roughly about the same size. So we'll go and check out the one I'm staying in first. So take her right into here. We have, I think, what is considered to be a double or queen size bed. Now the thing I like the most about this room is that it's nice and spacious. Like there's just tons of space. And then over here, we have a nice comfortable desk. This is where I've been working at. Some more thoughtful decorations. And then again, more pictures of Nepal. I mean, these are just amazing photos. It makes me want to go back to Nepal again. Up here, we have a cool mirror. Check yourself out before you go out. Primp and coif, all that stuff. Air conditioning, we haven't turned that on. We probably should. It's pretty hot. I mean, like it's getting like highs of like mid-30s. It's crazy, man. Coming from Canada, we're 0 degrees. I'm suffering a bit. And then this is your standard Indian bathroom. You've got kind of a wet shower area, very simple shower. But up top, we have a heater. You don't need to turn it on because it's so hot. Cold shower actually is really refreshing. Nice little toilet. Yeah, so the only other place for me to show you would be the next bedroom. So we'll go check that out. Now the nice thing about this room, your room, is you got the king size bed, man.
Yeah.
That's nice and big. So again, like this is awesome. Like we both have our own desks, so we don't have to be bringing our computers out to the main living area. We can just be doing our work right in our rooms, which is so nice. Lots of closet space as well. We haven't utilized it. We haven't even really unpacked yet. And bathroom here, second bathroom that we have is basically exactly the same. We just have a toilet, we have a heater, we have a simple shower. But I mean, that's everything you need, and a sink too. Okay guys, so if you're coming to Hyderabad, India, you should definitely consider staying in this area. It's really nice. This apartment has been really comfortable. And yeah, that's it for this tour. I hope you guys liked it. Give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to both of our channels, Samuel and Audrey, and also David's been here. We'll have more content from India coming very soon. Ciao for now.
And link is in the description below for the Airbnb.
Yeah, exactly. Thanks for that.